For centuries, man has longed to break away from the limited boundaries of Earth and explore the vastness of space. After many unsuccessful attempts to launch a rocket, such as this...
Well, back to the drawing board.
The dream came true. The first man to reach the moon was the eminent Professor Dingledong. Unfortunately, he hasn't been heard from since. Today, another rocket stands poised to make the perilous journey, and the president of the Rocket Society is ready to ask for another volunteer.
Gentlemen, do I have a volunteer? Come, Fido, your big moment is here at last.
Fido? You got the wrong house, Doc. There ain't no Fido in here.
Up the progress of science.
Have a heart, Professor. I'm allergic to high altitudes. Besides, I'm a married dog. Think of my family. Oops.
Telegram for Professor P. Cosmo Clonk.
I am Professor P. Cosmo Clonk.
Roses are red, violets are blue. If you don't pay your phone bill, the company will sue.
Why, you red-headed nitwit.
Simmer down, Doc. This ain't my regular job. I'm just a volunteer.
Volunteer, eh? On behalf of the Interplanet Rocket Society, I wish you bon voyage.
Meanwhile, on another part of the moon...
A spaceship! I am rescued! Get away!
Ugh, what a mushy welcome.
A woodpecker!
Who were you expecting? Miss Universe?
I'll get rid of this spice guy and take the rocket over from under him when he is not looking the other way.
Wow.
Welcome to the moon. Come, let me show you around. Here we have a deep crater.
Oh, I wonder how far it is to the bottom.
Why don't you go see? So long! Boy, that's the last time I ever volunteer for anything. 2 years I have been here gestocken, and I am homesick.
Since you've been such a bad boy, you don't get the key to the rocket. Ooh, that's cold.
Give me that key.
All right, Doc. You asked for it. I'm gonna let you have it with my atom blaster.
Ha! Don't feel a thing. Hey, come back here. Okay, wise guy, give me that key.
You win, Professor. Here it is.
So long, Zucker. Ooh, I did a boo-boo. Stop fooling around, Woodpecker, and take me back to Earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Huh? That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Professor Dingle-Dong.
Send me on a wild goose chase to the moon, will you? So long, Woodpecker.